Das hier ist Seite 224, Übung 8. So we're still doing word order with subordinate clauses. This time we are using the subordinate conjunction da, which means since. And you may be thinking, well, I thought that the word da meant there. It does, but it also means since, if you use it as a subordinate clause. So Übung 8 auf 224 is going to use da as part of the answer. So it says in the directions, ich mache heute keinen Stadtbummel. You've decided not to take a stroll through town today. Use the cues below to explain why. Okay, so Beispiel, es regnet noch. Well, we're going to say, since it is still raining, I'm not making a stroll through town. So, da, and we know that da kicks it to the end. Da es noch regnet. So notice this was my verb, and notice da has kicked it to the end. So like in the video before, da es noch regnet, comma. This is like a big element 1. We know that a verb has to come next. And in the book they have the sentence, mache ich keinen Stadtbummel. Mache ich keinen Stadtbummel. Which is kind of like a stroll through town. You're not going to buy anything, you're just walking through. So pretty much they've given you the rest of the sentence here, but notice the verb is in second. So whenever you move these subordinate clauses first, remember it's like a big element 1, and then you just put the rest of the sentence. Okay, Nummer 1. Ich habe keine Zeit. So this is now our reason why we're not going to make a stroll through the city, or take a stroll to the city. Da, and then we want to put the verb last, so we know that this thing here is going to go at the end of our phrase. Da ich keine Zeit habe. Comma. Once again, this is like a big element 1. And we know after element 1 comes element 2, which is always some type of a verb. So we can just cheat and look up here. Mache ich keinen Stadtbummel. Okay, if you need some more help with it, let me know. This will be on Canvas. Das ist alles für jetzt. Tschüss.